Hey, welcome to another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from Japan. This is one that came in a zenpop.jp subscription box. This is Myojo Charumera Stamina Sauce Maze Soba. So there you go. Steep, drain, you know. And that's how I roll when it says that's what I'm supposed to do. Whoa! Yeah, it started acting funny. So, standard tray style variety with the stamina sauce. Check that out. Kind of cool sachet, I gotta say. Is this a 4-minute? This looks like a 4-minute. It's a 3-minute. Glad I looked. Okay, so. Boiling water into tray. You are being good, and I thoroughly appreciate it because yesterday you weren't being good, and I did not appreciate that. But you're being pretty good today. I like that. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Miles is on the cusp of being a 7-year-old. That will happen tomorrow, and there will be festivities going on all day, such as the ability to control the remote all day long for the boy. And yeah, so that should go good. Man, it's already getting hot in here. I'm already getting sweaty. Kind of a warm cap to be wearing though, but I don't care. I have to change up my wardrobe. See, if I don't, I accidentally will put the same videos in the same spot. So once this video is done, I'm done, and I go bye-bye and all that. But I copy off of this camera the 3 videos, or 4. I'm doing 4 reviews today. The 4 of them onto the desktop, and then I've got the intro and the outro. I import the new videos in there. I already have all the intros and outros imported. And then I just put an intro in the front, put the episode in the middle, and then put the outro at the end. And then render it, and that's it. That's what I like about doing this show. I've really tried to make it as efficient and quick and easy and simple to do, because that part of the process is really, really easy. It just takes time. The machine has to do all that stuff. But yeah, it's fun. I really like doing intros and outros. I try to do new ones as much as possible. Did one yesterday with the guinea pigs. So I like doing time lapses. I need to get, yeah, maybe not this weekend, but I've been told I can go up on the highest spot really with a nice lookout of Lake Washington and do a time lapse up there sometime. So I'm gonna take them up on their offer soon, but I want it to be cloudy, not all completely cloudy. I want there to be clouds in the sky, because at least you're gonna see that motion, you know. If I have to sit up there for like 4 hours with my camera, yeah, I need a long shoot. My new poster showed up yesterday. It's supposed to be a stretched canvas on a wood frame. And there's no way in hell that I'm taking this thing somewhere to have it stretched onto a canvas. There's no way. But it's canvas. It's stretched onto a wood frame. That's what it means. Which is a real bummer, because I don't know. I would be way too embarrassed. Like, yeah, I need to get this. And you're like, you're not serious, are you? How much does it cost? Oh, that'll cost you about $80. Oh, yeah, I wouldn't want to pay $80. I might. I don't know. It's so hideous. It's amazingly hideous. It's like, if you like hideous things, ladies and gentlemen, this is the dream hideous thing. I guess you could say that. I guess if you dream about what the subject matter is, then there's really truly no help for you coming up. We've got what looks like some really nice cabbage going on in here. I like when the yakisoba I review is accompanied by a decent amount of cabbage. I think that's the best part. When I go out and get yakisoba at a restaurant, there's always just like heaps of vegetables. Here's our stamina sauce. It's definitely garlicky. That's the whole thing. It's supposed to be a very garlicky sauce. Very oily too. But I'm sure that's not 100% stamina sauce. I will have to look at my local Japanese grocer to see if there's stamina sauce there. So I should mention there was it's a website for people learning to speak English, and I was quoted in there as saying that ramen and instant noodles are the same thing. That's not true. I have never said that. I could be inferred from the fact that my website is called the Ramen Raider, but it's a catchy name. Don't read too deeply into that. When I came up with the name for it, I was like much younger and much less knowledgeable, which I think actually works really well, because if you want to learn about instant noodles and ramen, you might be coming from a standpoint that everything is ramen, but it is not. Taiwanese dry noodle, not ramen. Ramen is, and this isn't ramen, this is maze soba. There's so many different intricate differences. But if you want to know my opinion of what is ramen, shio, miso, skemen, all those, and they're from Japan, you know? That's really what ramen is. Somebody, she put on the Ramen Junkies group, she wrote, my boyfriend just said ramen is ramen. What do I do? And everybody was like going blah, 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 blah. It's like, what you do is you take them to an Asian grocery, you guys pick out a couple varieties and have some, and get a bunch of produce and thin sliced meats and make something cool. This is kind of weird because I'm getting like a floral bump from it. Almost soapy. That is weird. I don't know why. I really don't know why. Maybe that is a characteristic of stamina sauce, but I don't know. I don't know where else it would be coming from. I don't think the kids are farting perfume and it's wafting in here. But it definitely has like a floral kind of thing going on. And check out the amount of veg on this puppy. Definitely check that out too. Yeah, a lot of vegetable. So yeah, we are in a level 4 chashu shortage situation right now, which means I'm gonna have to make more chashu, which I don't want to do. Not at this time of year, not with the weather we've had. That's enough. Noisy. So I'm splitting them up. noodles? I hope I didn't. If I did, I apologize, ladies and gentlemen. That is not good practice. Made 2 eggs today. Actually, I made 3, but only 2 are soft. Why is that? You'll know. You'll know in a minute. Don't worry about it. You're putting soft-boiled eggs on maze soba? Yes. It behooves me, ladies and gentlemen. It may be incorrect form, but I think it's a nice touch. Come on, let go. Ah. Oh, and I have to complain about the grocery store's spring onions going a little mushy too quick. Complaint made. Next. We'll add some spring onion. We'll add some shichimi. I'm tempted to add some Kewpie. What do you think? All right, fine. Don't need to push an issue with me. I'm going to do a little bit of black pepper. I just thought, no, well. Here we are. Our stamina sauce maze soba. Good stuff. I like it. That's right on. Yeah. All right, well, thanks for watching. Yeah, good stuff if you can find it. The next one, I've had this a million. Shush, please. The next one I've had a million times. I'm gonna do it again in honor of their 50th anniversary. This is Indomie mee goreng fried noodle, and as you can see right here, 50 years of Indomie, and 20 years of Indonesians getting really ticked off at me if Indomie is not on the top 10 list. Anyways, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Hope you had a good Christmas and Hanukkah and all that. Bye.